Welcome to Salt Lake City before you go.
Happy birthday!
Donuts!
Donut!
Is it worth going to Salt Lake City? Usually Salt Lake City is used as crossroads from visitors going to the beautiful sceneries in Utah, and also for long haul they're here to visit Yellowstone. But actually you can do a bunch of stuff in Salt Lake City if you would like to. Here's a video to show it. Our first stop for this trip is the original KFC franchise from 1952. It's such an inspiring story here at the first original KFC by Pete Harman. When he was a kid, he went to San Francisco and he ate at this restaurant. He only had $3 left in his pocket. He told the lady there that he wanted a job in the restaurant. The lady said, well, we haven't hired anybody in 3 or 4 years time. He really insisted on working in that restaurant. Then he got the job because of his persistence. And that was his first experience in the restaurant industry. We're here. One real buffalo burger, please.
And are you getting the lettuce, tomato, pickle, onion on that?
The bugs here are quite intense. They're everywhere. If I were you, I'd bring a bug spray. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I'll find out later if the bug spray is working because I put it all over my face. Nonetheless, in the visitor center, they have this mosquito net. Oh, how do you call it? Like a hat with like a net. If you want that, it's available in the visitor center. I think it's $5. We are on our way to Garringfield, and as we are on our way to Garringfield, we saw this field of bisons. They're pretty cool. You'll see young ones and old ones. The older ones are just steady and just eating their grass. The little ones are like light brown and they're like running all over. They have a big playground here. Be careful, don't go near them because they run 40 miles per hour. They're pretty fast. We're here at the Fielding Gar Ranch. It's pretty historical here. 133 years of ranching experience. In here you could see some old ranch tools. My mom's saying that's a washing machine.
Yeah, that's a washing machine.
That's the dryer. How? You can touch the horses. Also, there's a silo here that is pretty historical. You can also do bird watching here or have a picnic. I'm here right now at the Red Butte Garden here in Salt Lake City, and if you have a chance, go try it here because it's just really beautiful here. It's $14 to enter. Let's see the montage right now. Hi! Good morning here in my B&B room. As I was saying, there were so many bugs in Antelope Island, and I just realized that I got bit everywhere. They're kind of itchy. Yep, I'm still itchy right now. Yeah, they're all over me, so I highly recommend getting that net. If you're going to Salt Lake City, I highly suggest going to the state capital because you learn a lot of history here. I learned that Utah is formerly with the Mexican government and then Mormons immigrated here. Also, you'll see that Utah is such a great place for films like Mission Impossible and Pirates of the Caribbean. This state capital is also made of several amazing things like the onyx and marbles. If you're going here at the Temple Square, I would suggest going to the first stop, which is the conference center. And here you will get this map and it will tell you all the attractions that you can see around here. Right now, it's a weekend. Saturday and Sundays, they are usually closed, especially on a Sabbath day. Weekdays, they're open like later, like 9 p.m. even. Some sections are being renovated right now, so they could be earthquake proof because apparently it runs on a fault line. I'm here right now in the middle of Temple Square and there are two things to see. One is the tabernacle and one is this assembly hall. It's amazing the history here because they were hand painted by the pioneers and it's from the late 1800s. It's like 150 years old right now. I'm in the Bonneville Salt Flats rest area and apparently the restrooms are closed. So I'm gonna hold it. A few minutes away from the Bonneville rest area, you'll find a gas station and the proper restrooms. Also like a snack area around here. I'm driving right in the middle of the Salt Flats right now. It's actually very smooth and we thought it's gonna be bumpy. Donuts!
Donut.
I know Bonneville Salt Flats is kind of far. It's like more than 100 miles away, but it's worth it. It was so fun being here.